A team of physicists just used an ordinary laptop to solve a problem that another research group had publicly claimed only a quantum computer could handle. Here's the backstory. Researchers working with quantum computing company D-Wave had calculated the behavior of a complex system of hundreds of entangled qubits using actual quantum hardware and claimed the feat was impossible for classical computers to replicate. That's a big claim. It's the kind of claim that quantum computing's entire value proposition rests on. Physicists at the Simons Foundation's Flatiron Institute, led by Joseph Tyndall, working with Boston University, were skeptical. So they tried to replicate the result using a completely different approach. Tensor networks run on a standard laptop. Tensor networks work by compressing information. Tyndall describes it simply think of it like a zip file for the quantum wave function, instead of tracking every possible state of every qubit individually, which explodes into an astronomically large number of possibilities. Tensor networks find and exploit structure in the data to represent it far more efficiently. And it worked. The laptop's results matched both the theoretical predictions and the results from actual quantum hardware. A problem that had been framed as proof of quantum computing's unique power turned out to be solvable with 1980s era math, modern software, and a laptop. Important caveat here. This doesn't mean quantum computers are useless, or that quantum advantage isn't real in other contexts. The researchers were clear that tensor networks work well specifically when a system has exploitable structure. Some problems genuinely don't compress this way, and those may still require real quantum hardware. But it does mean something important for how we evaluate every future quantum computing headline. Impossible for classical computers is a claim that needs to be tested, not assumed. And in this case, the test failed, as quantum computing races toward billion-dollar investments and IPOs. This is a useful reality. Check the bar for proving genuine quantum advantage just got higher.